In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Google Drive error. Can't download the file, try enabling third-party cookies. By the end, you'll adjust your Google Chrome cookie settings so Google Drive can download files without showing that third-party cookies error. On Google Chrome, start with the browser open on your desktop. Open Settings. Click the three dots in the top right corner, then click Settings. This will open a new tab with all Chrome preferences. Go to Privacy and Security, then open Cookies and other site data. You'll see options that control how websites store cookies in your browser. Select Allow all cookies. This is the quickest way to remove the block that's preventing Google Drive downloads. You can switch back later if needed. If you prefer not to allow all cookies, use the alternative method next. Under sites that can always use cookies, click Add. This tells Chrome to trust specific sites even if other cookie restrictions are in place. Add drive.google.com. Type or paste drive.google.com into the site field, then confirm. Add accounts.google.com. Repeat the same step and add accounts.google.com. These are the two Google services involved when you download files from Google Drive. Enable including third-party cookies on this site. When you add each site, make sure the checkbox for including third-party cookies on this site is turned on. This is important because the download flow may use cookies from related Google services. If this box is off, the error can continue. Refresh Google Drive. Go back to your Google Drive tab and click the reload button or press Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on Mac. Now then try the download again. The file should start downloading without the can't download the file message. If it still appears, continue with the quick fixes. Quick fix. Open file in incognito mode. Click the three dots in Chrome, choose new incognito window, then open Google Drive and access the same file. Incognito runs with default settings and no extensions, which often bypasses cookie or extension conflicts. Try the download from here. Disable adblock/extensions. Back in your regular window, click the puzzle icon in the top right, open Manage Extensions, and toggle off any ad blockers or privacy extensions. These tools often block third-party cookies by default and can interfere with Google Drive downloads. After turning them off, switch back to the Drive tab and try downloading again. You can re-enable extensions after confirming the fix. Try another browser. If the error persists, open the same Google Drive file in another browser like Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or Safari and try the download there. This helps confirm whether the issue is specific to your Chrome setup. At this point, your Google Drive download should work without the try enabling third-party cookies error. You've updated Chrome's cookie settings, added Google Drive and Google accounts as allowed sites with third-party cookies enabled, refreshed the page, and tested quick fixes as needed. The setup is complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.